we're cruising in a 1967 Mustang. This is a great car, especially for someone that's looking for something that they want to drive daily. The paint is in good condition. It's a driver quality paint job, as we would call it. It's not perfect, but it does still show good. This car is believed to be a 2-owner car. It still has the original tag for whatever state that was for. The top is in good condition. There's a minor little tear in the top, but nothing that can't be fixed. It's got a brand new dash pad across the dash here. All the gauges work on this. You've got good oil pressure. Even the alternator gauge works, and even the fuel gauge works. All radio does work on here too. Just a really nice, solid car. The interior is believed to be all original as well, other than the new dash pad on the top there. Headliner is in good condition. We did put a new light in here. This car was also born as a 6-cylinder car. Now has a 302 V8, so you definitely get a lot more power. Just a good cruiser, but when you need the extra power to get out into traffic, you have it. If you have any questions on this car, give us a call at 770-738-7111. One of the sales staff here at Collectible Motor Car of Atlanta would assist you in this car. We do have financing. We do offer inspections and stuff like that if you're wanting to do something like that on this car. But with that being said, if you guys are interested, give us a call here at Collectible Motor Car, and we'd love to put you in this car. Doesn't get any better than a 1967 Ford Mustang in my